Lord, say it ain't so. Yes, you guys, it's starting all over again. It's like I'm dreaming of 1,000 and thousands pieces of clothes. I feel like I've been doing this for a whole month, but I actually enjoy this. But I just wanted y'all to see how I spent my Saturday evening after I got home from work. She's still at it. So it gets better. The vlog gets better. Good morning! Y'all, let's make some tea, okay? It is Sunday, October 13th it is. Let's make some tea. I got a taste for some tea this morning. How y'all doing? How are y'all doing? I'm gonna try something different. So I think I showed y'all before. That's what I got. Tastes good, smells good. We're gonna add a little bit of, what is this? This is the salted caramel. Just a little bit. Oh, let me go get something else. I picked this up from Trader Joe's the other day. Let me know if y'all ever tried this. We're gonna try it today though. Okay? First time for everything. I think I had this before. It could have been some years ago. I don't know. Could have been some months ago. I can't remember all the things all the time. Pour this hot water in here. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I'm gonna drink all of this. All of it. I got clothes going. They're my clothes this time. They're my things. Okay? Let's pour a little bit of this in here. Like that. And we just gonna let this steep. Just like that. Look at that. Let's go sit down and talk. Yeah, guys, I'm washing my own stuff this morning. Well, not washing it. I already washed it. I'm drying it. This smells so good. Somebody made this for her. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? And they got to go in this this special bag. But anyway, I got to put all this stuff in a bag. I'm trying to debate, do I want to take it? Do I want to drop it off before I go to work? If I have time, I'll drop the bag off before I go to work. So that way, this evening when I come in, I ain't got to look at that. I can put my lunch pail up because I do got to work. I threw it in a video earlier in this video of, was it yesterday? One of the days, it could have been yesterday. I don't remember, y'all. Just check, you've seen it already. That I had more things to wash, but yeah. Y'all, it's so cloudy here. I wasn't going to open up these curtains. Y'all know I ain't got no blinds. Your girl don't have no blinds. I just don't. I had the blinds that were what kind of blinds were they? They were the paper shade blinds, which I really, really like those because they were natural, but I don't have any blinds, so I'll open the curtains. But it's going to be a little gloomy. Can y'all see me? Let me put y'all right here. Put y'all right here. For now, I got to hurry up. I got to be at work this ain't going to work. I have to be at work at 2:30, so I'm going to get ready in a minute. Somebody keeps on sending me messages. Thank y'all all for y'all lovely comments on YouTube. Oh, look. Did I show y'all this is where I put the vase? I don't think I'm going to put anything in it. It's just so pretty. Just the way it is. I like it. So, I've been doing all right. Been doing okay. Been working. Been doing my YouTubes. Been keeping myself together. Keeping my head on right. What y'all been up to? I just been living life, y'all. Like, really. What are we really supposed to be doing? All we do, we gotta just live. You have to just live. I just figured out, instead of worrying about, how I'm gonna do this, what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna figure this out, where I'm gonna do, it's just too much. Just live in the moment, just live. I just thank the Most High for life and for keeping my mind together. As long as my mind is together, I know great things will happen, you know? Keep your mind together. That's all we got. Just keep your mind together. You can't keep up with other people. Don't be trying to keep up with the Joneses. Do you and be happy with your life. I think that's where a lot of people are falling off track. When you watch other people, you actually think you gotta be, no. Half of that stuff is a facade, okay? It ain't real. Okay? I don't know who this for, but I'm just letting y'all know. I'm just doing me, okay? And whatever his me is, that's what y'all gonna get, okay? So, this tea is so hot, I'm gonna let it keep steeping, but it's good with cream. If y'all didn't know, tea is good with cream. I'm gonna go in here, get dressed a little bit. I gotta do something with my face and my hair. So I will call y'all right back, okay? Call you right back. What?
Should I put a nail or something here?
Oh no, that's what remember that thing? I don't know what the, oh, that's just something, I don't know what that is. Y'all, she come to get, I don't have to, say hello to the vlog.
Hey y'all.
They say congratulations and
thank you all. Yeah,
she
I feel like a big,
what?
I feel like a big whale, y'all. I went to the doctor, they said I weigh 263.
You gonna, y'all, I'm gonna make sure she lose that. That is, no ma'am.
I got a double chin and everything.
You'll be all right. All right, come on and finish getting ready for work.
Y'all, shout out to my mom
Love you.
for washing all his clothes.
And she gonna tell me I got one more bag.
Yeah, we only got one more bag.
Is it big?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Is it big like that, or show me what size it is? He ain't gonna wear all that.
It's probably like a little bit more than this.
Well, to get that, because I don't want that to, they all folded up. He's not gonna wear all those clothes though, trust me.
We'll see.
He is not gonna wear all that stuff.
But they got clothes up to 4T, so we got a lot of newborn 3T, 4T clothes. And depending on his dad, I don't know how big.
Babies ain't wearing all that. Y'all seen how much I had, so I'm about to go. I got to end this. I gotta get ready. I gotta get ready.
See y'all. Love y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, love, like my mom's video, and we'll see you in the next one.
They do. Ooh, y'all. Time is winding down. I gotta get out of here. I'm so glad I didn't have to drop that stuff off. It gave me a little more time for myself. I really appreciate that. But y'all, I go to the door because she was at the side door. I left the back door open. She's like, oh, I left her bag at the side door. I said, what? Girl, what? We got more. This is the last one though, y'all. But I'm glad he brought her over here to pick those clothes up, so I didn't have to do it. So we getting this face ready. We gotta go. I gotta do my hair. I did flat iron my hair yesterday. Look at this. I not flat ironed it. I actually, what did I do? I used that big old curling wand thing that I have. And I did it because I wanted to wear my hair down again. But y'all already know with natural hair, it don't work like that, but she has grown a lot. Why are you tangled right here? Oh, Sonia, you had a braid right there. So y'all, I gotta fix my sandwich, which I already cut up my vegetables and stuff. I'm just taking like a sub sandwich. I'm gonna have to put this stuff back in the braid, okay? Back in that braid. But this cool for right now. Y'all, I'm not trying to go nowhere to impress nobody. Oh, let me show y'all. I picked up this one, the matching one. Can y'all see this? Hold on. It's the matching one to this. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Okay. So we're not opening up her yet because we still have this one that I just put on. I only have that little bit left. So I'm gonna put it on tonight as well. So yeah, we're gonna put this on right now. But I just wanted to touch bases with y'all, do a little skin care, little skincare. Little skincare. Woo. So that's gonna be it, y'all. Oh, and I found this is a different one. I always get the charcoal by Big Buddha from Dollar General, but they didn't have it. They had this new stuff now. But this is new, guys. Can y'all see that? This is new. That's something about that ring light. It makes everything have like funny backgrounds, but this gonna be real quick. Real quick, straight to the point. But yeah, I found that at Dollar General. That's something new. I prefer the other one, but I looked at the ounces and it's the same ounces. So as long as I get my money's worth, you know? So let's put all this stuff up since y'all seen the new collagen. We'll put that up there until next time. Just putting on my jerrys and stuff. And let's see, I'm gonna put on this. This is supposed to be like black opium. This is Black Point. This smells so good, y'all. That's what it looked like. The camera, they say look over there, but yes, it smells like a man. I know. I love that. Okay? I love that. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and finish. Okay, I forgot. Some of you cannot put nothing wet on your hair because you put that heat on your hair. So let's do this. Let's take some vitamin E. And we'll put it on there. All right. So I'm gonna see y'all. Bring that around, swoop that around that ear. I'm gonna see y'all in the car because I gotta get my lunch packed, get my sandwich finished getting fixed, and yeah, I'll catch you guys back in a minute, okay? So, braid this up real quick. Real fast, y'all. Just the braid. My hair has grown so much, don't know what to do with it. These are simple ways you can look nice, chic, straight to the point. What y'all think? All right, y'all. So here's my lunch. I got some bitter honey candy from the baby shower. I got walnuts in here. I got a big old, is that a Honey Crisp apple? And I got my sandwich right here for lunch or dinner, brunch, or whatever you want to call it. So I just do it like that. Put it in here like that. Smash it down. Everything gonna fall out, but it's all good. That's how we do that. Put our top on it. Put it in our lunch pail and we good to go. See you guys in a minute. Okay, here's the outfit, y'all. It's time to go. I got on my black jeans. I forgot the name of these jeans. Y'all know these are the ones that somebody told me they were expensive. I don't know if y'all can be able to see that tag right there. And then I have on this, what's her name? Rachel Zoe sweater. It has like prints in it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see on camera right here, but you know, very nostalgic. Got my blue jean jacket, got my braid in the back. All right, it's time to go because y'all already know. One thing about me, she don't like to be late ever. I almost forgot to turn off the humidifier. I don't want to leave that going. Let's turn that off. Off we go. All right, now we're out the door, okay? Now we up out of here, okay? And I gotta unplug it. Don't leave stuff plugged up either. All right, y'all, see you in the car. Y'all, I was in here jamming. Gucci Mane ain't got nothing on Gucci Sonia. Can you help me? I thought you said you loved me. Oh, Most High, can you help me? Most High, can you help me? I always do, girl, you know I help you. The Most High, can you help me? I changed and make my own lyrics. But y'all, I'm almost there. I hope y'all enjoyed hanging out with me today on this workflow. I don't want to go, but I need some money. How many of y'all need some money? Hit me in the comments if you need some money. Help me. Most High, will you help me? I see y'all. I see y'all. Peace. Peace and love. And ask the Most High, help me so he can help you. Okay?